What are they doing? Alien invasion. Tom's Magic English. Aliens have invaded planet Earth. They are watching humans from their hideouts. Can you see the humans? Yes, I can. What is the man doing? He is watching TV. What is the woman doing? She is doing the laundry. What is the boy doing? He is playing a video game. What is the girl doing? She is taking a shower. What is the baby doing? He is building a castle. What is the old lady doing? She is cooking dinner. What is the old gentleman doing? He is reading a book. What are the boys doing? They are playing foosball. What are the girls doing? They are chatting. What are you doing? I'm spying on people. What are they doing? He is watching TV. She is doing the laundry. He is playing a video game. She is taking a shower. He is building a castle. She is cooking dinner. He is reading a book. They are playing foosball. They are chatting. I am spying on people. Thanks for watching. Tom's Magic English.